Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to put background in CapCut PC. So let's get started. First of all, let me just input a video for you real quick. So as you can see, here is my video. So I want this video to be my background, so I can do that. And by putting another clip onto it, like I want to add this video as well as my real video. So I want to put this video as a background and this one above that video. So how we can do that? Just add your after that you need to go to the video section and basic section like this, and you need to scale it down. Okay, so you can use it like that. So as you can see, we have another video in my timeline, so I just want to make it a background for it. Okay, so you can just simply scale it down like this. First of all, you need to select the clip. Okay, select this clip, then scroll it down and you will find the canvas option. I have seen many of you just asking for canvas is not showing to me, canvas is not showing to me. First, you need to make sure that your clip is into the layer 1. Okay, this is the layer 1, and if you add another video upside it, it will be layer 2. So the answer is you need to make sure that your clip is into the layer 1. Okay, first of all, make it into layer 1, then you will find the canvas option. Okay, so after going to the canvas option, you will see different types of option like blur. So if we just go with the blur, like here you can see this already looks cool, right? And also you can this option and many more like that. And also you can use some of the color like white, green, anything. And also you can use the pattern as your background, like this one, and this one. This already looks good. So I think I have told you enough for this video. So thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great day.